Hey everybody, thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I'm going to do a pour on a 12 by 36 inch Artist Loft canvas. I'm just going to do some smearing with the colors that I'm going to use are Artist Loft's Violet, Artist Loft's Light Violet, Artist Loft Metallic Blue, SoHo's Dioxazine Violet Hue, and I'm going to be using house paint for my base. All my paints are mixed with Floetrol Liquitex Gloss Pouring Medium, and the house paint does have a little some GAC 800 in there. For my smear color, I'm going to be using Amsterdam's Titanium White. Alright, so let's get started here. So I'm just going to put down some color here for the white, or for my base. Do thank everybody for joining my channel today. Hopefully you will enjoy the video and like and subscribe. All of that fun stuff that helps support my channel so much. So I think I'm going to start with the Dioxazine Violet. And then I think I'll use some of the Metallic Blue. And then some of the, this is the Violet. And then the Light Violet. Going up a little bit here, go up that way a little bit. And then I'll add some gold. Oops. I'm going to torch this a little bit and get all the air bubbles out. Got a little bit of gold spots here. We'll get those out of there. Alright, so now I'm going to use my titanium white on my palette knife here. Let's see if we can get some coolness out of this. Sorry, I have paints drying on the other side of the table, so I have to do it from the side view, and you know I keep putting my arms in front of the camera, and I apologize for that. Now I'm gonna just use my small palette knife here and just do some little ones. Oh, that's pretty right there. That's really pretty. Let's see. All right, now let's do a little tilt in here. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. I don't know, maybe here I might do a little bit. This is gorgeous here. This is pretty too, but it's not like as pretty as down here. So let me Alright, let's just tilt and see if we can open some of that up. I'm sorry, I know you can't see very well what I'm doing here, but oh, that's so pretty. So much of the negative space is going to be gone, but it's all right. Actually, though, I like it. Like, it's pretty cool the way it is, with more just negative space down here on the bottom. Let's see. This, no, we gotta do something here first. Fix this because I don't want that that blue spot there. And then I'm going to put a little bit of this color here. The Dioxazine. Violet.
Can I come in?
Now I think I'm going to do some little swirlies. This is going to be pretty now. I like that better. Let's see. Just trying to break this white up a little bit. I like it, but I don't like it. That looks really cool right there. Everybody, I have to tell you, my sister's watching and she just was like, say hi with your hands. My sister
Hello.
Tina just moved back here to Lincoln. Sorry about the dogs. See if we can bring some of this out a little bit. Is she bringing her dog out? Maybe we'll put Khaleesi in the kennel. Sorry about that, everybody. Somebody came over to visit them and I told her she needed to go put Khaleesi in the kennel because my daughter's dog. I think I've kind of told people, if you've watched my videos before, that she kind of suffers from anxiety. So when new people come around that she doesn't know, she gets a little nervous, and until she gets to know you, like she's definitely like the sweetest dog in the world, but she is a bully, an American bully, and some people would kind of be a little nervous because of her anxiety. She doesn't growl or anything like that. She starts to shake, like she gets real nervous like that. That's why when I video or if I use the blow dryer, she doesn't come in here anymore because that kind of makes her nervous because my art room is fairly small. And so I just had her go put her in her kennel or put her in my bedroom, so then that way no issues. I don't want any issues. It's my daughter's dog, and if something was to have happened, with the way some people feel about bullies or pit bulls, like here in Nebraska, they don't even care, like because it's a bully or because it's a pit bull, they will automatically put the dog to sleep, regardless of whatever the situation was. Khaleesi would never do anything like that, but I'm just saying. I would rather be safe than have anything bad happen to anybody. So that's really pretty too. Love this. Got a pretty little heart there. It's so pretty. I don't know why I think I've been getting into these swirlies because I've seen a lot of people doing them like with their blooms, and I've always added like swirlies to my Dutch pours, like on the afterwards, and so yeah, I really like adding the swirlies to this. So my sister and her kids are staying with me for a little bit until they find a place, so I'm gonna try to get them to do a video with me if I can get them to do a painting and do a video. Eventually, anyway. Alright, I love this. This is so pretty. Add a little bit here. Really pretty. Let's see. That's pretty. You can't go wrong with the 24 karat gold. I don't care what anybody says. Alright, so I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. Alright. Sorry about that. My camera just stopped working for a second there, so I'm bringing you down here for a close-up. So you can see all this beautiful shimmer. Look at that. I love this right here. Look at this. It's so pretty. Look at that shimmer. This is where my sister was like, ooh. It's beautiful. All that shimmer. I love how it has the Dioxazine violet. Gives it that, the depth and so deepness, and I love that color. That's probably one of my favorite colors besides the Perusian blue, which is a really deep blue color too. But just look at all that color and all that shimmer, those beautiful lacing, the beautiful shimmer and all the cells. I love it. Look at that. That's just a spot full of funness. Look at that. Oh, love it. Look at all that shimmer. I'm obsessed with these swirly things right now, so hopefully they're so beautiful. I don't know if I can get the whole thing in, but oops, sorry about my finger there. So pretty. I like the negative space at the bottom like that. Like I think that looks pretty cool. But it's definitely one. Well, I guess you wouldn't necessarily. You could probably hang it sideways like that, but I like it this way. But I thank everybody for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and you would like and subscribe and share. I appreciate all of you so much. I hope everybody is being healthy and safe from COVID and just healthy in general. And hopefully you'll hit that notification bell so you will be notified when I post another video and you can watch and help support my channel. I appreciate it so much. I appreciate you all. And thanks again for watching, everybody. And keep being creative. Oh, wait, there's the heart. Pretty. But thanks again for watching, everybody. And keep being creative. Bye.